What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. I have an iPhone right here, and I'm gonna go through probably like the 10 coolest things that I found in iOS 16. I know there's a lot more features that I probably won't even show you, but these are the 10 that I think are pretty freaking cool. Some of these are hidden, some you probably didn't hear about at the keynote, some of them you did, but let's just run through my list of 10 here. So the first one is copying an image, like basically turning it into a PNG, taking the background out of it really easily. I'm gonna do this in my Photos app. I've got a picture of my son. I'm gonna press and hold on him. And there it goes. I'm gonna hit copy, and then I'm gonna go into messages. And then once I'm in messages, I'm just gonna tap where the message is down here, press and hold again, choose paste, send it, and it sends that image just of him to that person. I think it's pretty freaking cool to take the background out of it. Also within iMessage, you can actually do 3 things that I found out. So I just sent that image. If I want to, I can press and hold on it, and I can actually undo send. I think you have to do it within 15 minutes, but ultimately I can undo send and that person wouldn't get that message anymore. Also, if I send like a text, I'll just put, hey, what's up? And I send it, I can press and hold on it. I can edit it, and maybe I want to add, hey, what's up? How are you? Whatever. And then put that, and then it's there, you know, and I can still come back in here and do that. And I believe, again, it's up to 15 minutes. I could be wrong on the time limit, but ultimately, very cool stuff that you can do that. The other cool thing you can do is, let's go back to the main screen of all my messages. And this could work with any of my messages, but maybe I had clicked on it and I read the message and I kind of wanted to go back there and make sure that I did read it. If I press and hold on the thread right there, I can do mark as unread, and it will be lit up there to remind me that I have to read it. So if I'm playing media on, I got something you saw, I just chose Spotify, I can now have these, you know, controls right here. It looks a little bit better from what I remember. So you get new media controls, new media look on your lock screen. The next one is when you're typing, I can now get haptic feedback when I'm typing, something that's been on Android forever, but new to iPhone. Now, I have it on right now. By default, it's off, but if you go into settings and then you go into sounds and haptics, and then you go into keyboard feedback, you'll see haptic. If you turn it on, then you have haptic feedback then when you type. And haptic feedback just means it kind of vibrates the phone when you're typing. New search button right here. Before, when you wanted to do it, you'd have to kind of swipe down from here about, and you could search for, you know, whatever you were searching for right here. I actually like it being right here. It's very easy. It comes up quickly. It's easy to find. I like it for people like my mom. You know, hit that little search button at the bottom there. But if you want to, you can turn it off. All you do is go into settings. Once you're in settings, go into Homescreen, and then you'll see search, show spotlight. You can turn that off right there, and it will be gone from your home screen. You'll still be able to use it when you pull down, but it just won't be when you, and I'll just show you. See, it's gone from there, and I can still use it when I swipe down. Face ID, which helps unlock your phone, now works in landscape mode as well. See? And I'll just to show you that it does work in landscape mode, I'm gonna block it here. I'm gonna try to swipe up, but when I put my hand there, you can see it works. So very cool that you can now use landscape mode when you're doing your Face ID. Here's a cool one, it's a little understated. So you can now do photo shuffle for your wallpaper. So what you do is go into settings, then you wanna go into wallpaper, add new wallpaper, and you have photo shuffle, and you can come in here and just click on the images that you want, whatever they are, and set up your images for photo shuffle. When you're done, you can do up to 50 images, hit add, and then hit done, and there you go. It will do a photo shuffle of wallpapers for your display. Very cool stuff, and it'll cycle through them. This is a pretty cool one, and I think they already have it in Gmail, but it's so well placed, and it's when you use the Mail app on here. And by Mail app, I'm talking about the regular old, you know, Apple email app. So what you want to do is send an email. So I have my email ready to send. It's all, ready to go. I'm going to hit send. And you can see at the bottom, I can actually undo. I have to undo send within 10 seconds. When I press it, it brings me right back to where I was. Maybe I forgot to write something, or I just didn't, second thought, I'm not gonna send it. So as long as you hit undo send within 10 seconds, you can bring it back, and I'll send it one more time. Here we go, send. And we'll just watch this. That should go away within 10 seconds. It's been about 5 seconds, so hopefully that will go away within 10 seconds. There you go, now it's gone. And the last one is lock screen. So very easy to switch between them and change them. Press on there, press and hold on the clock, and now I have a few that I already made. But ultimately, it's as easy as just coming in here and you can customize the ones that you have and hit the plus sign, or you can just go to the very end and hit new. But basically we'll just hit it here just to show you. So you come in here, you can choose your people that you want to show for photos and stuff like that, or regular, just look through all your photos or do the photo shuffle like I showed you, put an emoji, put the weather, astronomy, a certain color. You have featured ones that you can choose from. This is just obviously backgrounds and stuff like that. And there's, more than just what they show. You can cycle through some more just to see what they have. Here's the weather and astronomy ones. Here's the featured ones. Maybe I want astronomy. Allow once. Or I should have done all the time actually. Earth detail, Earth moon if I wanted to. So maybe I want to do that. And then I can tap here and I can show weather conditions if I want instead with the date, or I can tap here and show my activity or my calendar. I can tap on the time and choose different fonts really easily. I can change the color of it to add a little color. I always like my purple, so I'll choose the purple. I can hit the plus sign and add some widgets. Maybe I want to show my battery life, so I'll show my battery life. And then I want to come back in here. Maybe I want to show some news, so I'll choose news, and it'll show me, and that'll update in real time and stuff. I can hit done, and now I have a home screen. And it actually also changes your wallpaper, so just be forewarned. But there you go, and I get my audio that I can listen to right now. Pause it, and again, you get your lock screen. So very easy, press and hold. Choose the next one that you want. Maybe I want to go back to this one. So I like how easy it is to update them and change them and use them. And those are the things that I found in iOS 16 that I thought were pretty freaking cool. Let me know what you guys think. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.